This video will walk you through unboxing and assembling your WEN TF1500XR Cyclone Shield generator. Its weather-resistant build handles rain, snow, and the worst that Mother Nature can throw at you. Once you have the generator unboxed, be sure to read the owner's manual completely. It will walk you through assembly, setup, maintenance, and more. To begin, cut the straps on the tops and side of the box. With the help of a friend, lift the box straight up and off the generator. The accessories are packed underneath the generator. With all the accessories removed, you can begin assembling the generator. Start by prying up and removing the cardboard lip around the outside of the pallet. Then, grab the axle bolts and the axle itself. Secure the axle to the bottom of the generator using the bolts. Tighten them with a 10mm wrench or socket. Once the axle is on, grab the wheels and place them on the axle. They should spin freely. Grab a washer, cotter pin, and end cap. Install all three and bend the cotter pin back. Next, grab the handle brackets and associated hardware. Mount the brackets to the generator, then mount the handle to the brackets. Grab the LPG tank holder latch and mounting brackets. Install them on the generator. Then, mount the LPG tank holder and tank strap. Once everything is assembled, make sure all fasteners are tightened. The generator is ready to be removed from the pallet. Take the triangular wooden blocks that you removed before. Line up the notch in the back with the pallet supports, and push the blocks firmly up against the pallet. Now, you can lift the handle and roll the generator off the pallet, using the blocks as ramps. Follow the directions in your owner's manual to add oil, connect the battery, add gasoline, and start the generator. Thanks for watching.
Remember WEN.